No matter, no matter. I don't tell una say all these obingos, obedient, they no dey ever think before they talk. No matter. I tell una say obedient, they no dey ever think before they talk. Una dey see now a few days ago now wey Soludo say governor of Anambra State, the man dey suffer something dey do campaign dey go. Now he come home man, now he talk say anybody wey dey talk say he wan do one thing o, he say the person head no correct, say the person na liar. He no call person name o. More than watch the video. No matter.
Is trying to disrupt the zoning system in Anambra. Some of them want to come to lie to us. How can anybody with brain, you think you are talking to fools? You come to people and say, I will do only one term. Any politician who said that must be sent to a psychiatric home. Because the person must have some mental problem. When the constitution allows you to stay up to 8 years.
The capital Benin, but obedient has been backing online. They have been backing. Soludo said this. Soludo, why you go talk like this? Soludo, why you go talk like that? Why obedient people dey stupid like this? All these obedience, all these obingos with their political homeless, principal. Wey no get where e dey. They have been backing. They don't let person rest. Soludo said this. Soludo said that. This one they swear for Soludo. No matter. Nigerians all over the world. The political homeless obi wey no get direction, and the followers wey no get direction too. Nigerians all over the world, why una no dey lis ten to all those people again? Why una no dey lis ten to them again? Because they no get anything to talk, because they always react before they think. They no dey think because they just feel say this their Peter Obi, no be anybody right to criticize her, but they get